Hi, today I'm going to make this cute pencil shaped pencil stand. Very easy to make. Perfect for summer vacations. Materials required are cardboard from a cardboard box, any that you want. This is some orange colored felt cloth. This is black colored glitter foam sheet, and this is corrugated paper, slightly thicker than paper and printed. So I have this round shaped cylindrical box, so I'll just trace it out. And cut it out. So now I'll just take the sheet, the printed sheet, and put the circle in the center and just sort of hold it and roll it, keeping the paper straight, this printed sheet straight. So you get an approximate idea that this much would be required. So you just mark it. And I'm going to just draw a line and then a little more because it has to be overlapping, like so, and I'll just cut this out. Like this. Now just flip it over, and from this line just make a triangle, taking how much you want in height the pencil box. So this is at 6.5. Just measure out 6.5 here also and draw this line. And here I'm going to draw small triangles. Like this, all along this whole line. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just cut it out. So we can cut from here. And then I'll cut out the whole thing. After I've cut it like this, you can see the peaks. Now take the black glitter sheet and just keep this peak on top. Depending on how much you want. And trace it out. So I'll just cut this. So you get a tiny triangle like this. Now this I'm going to stick on top here. So I'll just take some glue. stick it like this and let it dry. So after this is dried, now take the circle. I'll just apply some glue on it, on the edge. And on this area, which is going to overlap. I'll just put this and just roll it. And then stick the overlapping area. Just hold it till it dries. And this is how it's going to look. Almost like a pencil. So now I'll take this felt and I'll cut out a strip, 2 strips, which I'm going to stick on top and bottom. So I'll just so this I can stick like this at the base. Like so. And another one I'll cut, which I'll stick here on top. So it will hold the joint also and give it a neater look. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A cute little pencil shaped pencil stand.